Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about apply filters. So in my last video I covered action hook. So in this video I'm gonna cover filter hook. So how do you use this? So simply you have to say echo, then write apply filters, and here you have to give it a name. So suppose the name can be Tian filter text. So I'm gonna print a text. The text can be hello world. So everything is in capital letter. I'm gonna change that later. So first let's go and see how it looks. So it's right after the action hook. So let's go. If we remember the site our that we have, so here you can see hello world. So this is hello world from the filter hook that we used. So yeah, this looks promising. So now I want this to use in the function as well. So for that, I'm gonna change this one through this. So I'm going to copy this one and go to functions.php. And here, as you can see, we wrote add action for action hook, and for filter hook, we are going to use add filter. So first, let's write add filter. And here I'm gonna pass that name that we just copied, and here I'm gonna give a function name as well. So I'm just gonna name Tian filter function. So this is a very bad name, I know, but let's go with the flow right now. I'm gonna copy this one, and we do remember how to use function. All we have to do is write function, then the function name, then these two things, then these two things. And one thing about filter is we have to pass a parameter here. So the parameter can be like text, and here if we just return text, let's see what happens. If we do nothing, just return the text that we have with us right now, and go to our website and reload this website, we can see nothing has changed. We can see the capitalized hello world again. So I'm going to my text editor, and I'm going to convert this into lowercase. So for that we have something in WordPress. We have something called str to lower, str to lower. If you want to make it uppercase, you can use str to upper, but we already have it in uppercase, so I'm gonna select this one. And here I'm gonna pass the text that we have here. So what this will do, this will take the text that we have over here, index.php, and make this line lowercase. So if we did everything in the right way, we should see this hello world in lowercase right now. So if I just hit this reload button and see, you can see the hello world is lower, and here the hello world is lower. So this is basically how you do this, and this is a very simple, basic, generic example of apply filters. In my next videos, or some videos in the near future, we will see some advanced and complicated uses of apply filters as well. But for now, just keep in mind that with apply filters you have to pass a parameter that you don't have to pass in the action hook, but when you are using apply filters you have to pass this parameter, and you have to return something in order to work the code that you are writing. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.